Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm headed in to At Home, so I'm bringing you along. Let's go shopping. So I don't know how much we're going to cover today because, you guys, this is one of the longest aisles I have ever seen in a home decor store. And both sides are all beachy, nautical, kind of summer type decor. And this is just one aisle. Really pretty mirror. So that one's $79.99. Lots of little seahorse decor. These are $39.99. Got the little seagull. Some lanterns. Let's see, this is the Seaside Calm. Let's see if there's a price. $32.99 on that one. $37.99 on that one. And some blue coral for $32.99. So they do have the welcome in rope. That one is $26.99. Got these little sand dollars. Those are $9.99. And then the beach arrow, $19.99. We've got lots of wind chimes, and then these little birds for $12.99. Got so much seaside theme. They've got the rattan birds down here. Let's see. $54.99. And part of their seaside collection for $39.99, they have a massive tobacco basket. A little bit of galvanized metal in that one. They have these really cool rowing oars, $49.99. They are tall. I'm guessing maybe 8 feet tall. Lots of blue glass. The little balls, these are $9.99. These are $14.99. They're little enamel signs. They have the shell, the seahorse, and the starfish. There's the tobacco baskets, some signs, relax and beach for $12.99. Beautiful pillows. This one is $24.99. It's got the little tassels. And this one's really pretty too. So now we're getting into a lot more of the blues and teals. This one's $34.99. This lantern is $54.99. It's probably close to 3 feet tall though. This looks like something we've seen at Hobby Lobby with all the little detail, $29.99. Are really pretty. $19.99. These are $16.99. Look like little mermaid scales. Massive fin. Oh, it's super light. It's tin. $32.99. Look at these little wooden crates. All that teal and blue on the side. This porch is for dancing. That one is $17.99. Looks like the welcome sign is $34.99. And this little sign with the cow is $14.99. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm reaching as far as I can And I'm not very tall, but these things are up really high. So I'm guessing they do a lot of customer service, getting things down if you're interested in them. Some pillows. This one is $17.99. Same price on the farmer's market. We've got some cotton stems with magnolia leaves for $5.99. And then a really large enamel vision sign. No price on that one. And no price on this little one, the mercantile. Lots of black over here, which I love. They've got this little two-tiered stand. This one's $21.99. It's really light. Little bird on top. And this massive hen or rooster, I'm not sure, but in black with some white specks. That one is $39.99. And then just below, a little rooster planter. This one's $19.99. And then the little garden boxes, no prices on those. They've got a stacked bunny. This one is a lot less scary than the one we saw at Big Lots. This one's $14.99. And then a fresh cut flowers sign, $24.99. This little I will love you until the cows come home is $9.99. And the caution sign above it is $24.99. And then they've got this little welcome planked wooden circle for $34.99. Got the little enamel bike planter. This one's $19.99. Lots more farmhouse items. $34.99 for this little planter that comes with the trellis behind it. I really like that. And some enamel lanterns. So the tall version is $32.99 and the smaller $26.99. I also have this one, $29.99. They've got this little tray for $19.99, kind of farmhouse and boho. And this little guy, it's a really cute little, maybe a plant stand, $16.99. Some standing enamel planters, $29.99 and $19.99. And that bakery sign is so adorable. I cannot reach it and I cannot see a price on it. They've got this vertical ladder style planter. Let me see if I see a tag anywhere hanging. $109.99. There's a sticker there. There's the 4 boxes. They've got the little wheelbarrow in enamel for $34.99. It's a pretty good little size. And this little galvanized container for $25.99. More containers. This one for $37.99. They've got the rooster in the white. Some baskets. Some galvanized baskets. A couple graduated sizes. So the smallest one is $12.99. And the biggest is $24.99. Little galvanized 2-tier tray, $39.99. Oh, that one's heavy. Love these outdoor hanging lanterns. They've just got the little hook. You can use them on your front porch, $29.99. Little hanging welcome for $14. Up here they've got a massive envelope, $29.99. It is enamel. And the little tote with the cow on it for $14.99. They've got this little galvanized trough style planter, $19.99. And now we're back into some more beach style nautical items. A little chair for $19.99. This fun tray, ceramic, $42.99. Some beautiful coral. This one is heavy. I'm not even gonna try it, guys. This massive bowl. This one's $29.99. We've got the really pretty hanging planter and the tall vertical sign, Ocean Rules. This one in Relax. I think I see a price that says $34.99 behind it. They've got some really big octopus in silver for $32.99. And this shell, so pretty, also $32.99. They also have the large starfish for $32.99 in the same finish as the octopus and shell. The little metal sea turtle and some rattan anchors and wheels. Got the little sea turtle. This one's really cute. $19.99. Got a little sea turtle in gold. $13.99. And they've got the seagull for $42.99. They have this really heavy surfboard. It is $59.99. Probably about 4 feet tall and wood. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me to At Home. We'll be back very soon to look at a couple more aisles. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.